Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Capital One 360 savings account, secure, fix step by step clearly. Open your preferred web browser. Type in the URL for Capital One's official website. Look for the sign in button located at the top right corner of the homepage. Click on the sign in button. A drop-down menu will appear. Select 360 banking from the options provided. You will be redirected to the login page for Capital One 360. Enter your username in the designated field. Next, input your password in the password field. Make sure to check the box that says Remember Me if you want the site to remember your credentials. If you've forgotten your username or password, click on the Forgot Username or Password link. Follow the prompts to retrieve or reset your login information. Once all fields are correctly filled out, click the Sign In button. After a few moments, you should be logged into your Capital One 360 savings account. If you encounter any issues, double-check your credentials for accuracy. Ensure your internet connection is stable. If problems persist, consider clearing your browser's cache or trying a different browser. You can also reach out to Capital One's customer support for assistance. Once logged in, you'll have access to your savings account details and other banking features. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.